In this video, we're going to show you 2 ways of finding the Snapchat password for your account if you've forgotten it. The first step is to open the Snapchat application on our Android phone or our iPhone, and then type in your username or your email address that is associated with your Snapchat account. My username is Tutor, so I'll type this real quickly. And after that, you're going to click on this little eye icon at the right side, which is going to bring up our keyboard with the autofill information. It should say something like password for snapchat.com. Tap on this, and then the password will be entered automatically, and you'll be able to see it. Method number 2 of seeing and finding your Snapchat password is by opening the Passwords app on your iPhone. And I think that Android has a pretty similar app as well, so go ahead and open it. Select the All section at the top left, and then you'll be able to see all of the email addresses and passwords which the phone has remembered with the autofill feature. So just find Snapchat on this list and tap on it to open it. Here is the email address or username of my Snapchat account, and we've also got the password right here. If this video helped you out in any way, then consider leaving a like on it, and I will see you in the next video.